Please turn on the captions in order to get subtitles in your very own language. And if your language is not present in the list, do comment down below and I will make sure that I add your language too. So hey guys, welcome to our very own channel Tech Jason. In this video, I'm gonna show you a way wherein you can earn 10 cents in just 5 minutes. Yes friends, after watching this video, you can earn about 10 cents in 5 minutes. The task which I'm gonna talk about is pretty simple. It is present inside the sign up tab in the Timebux. If you don't know about sign up tab, I have already made some videos. The links are given in the description below. Make sure you go check out those videos. Also friends, there is a bonus offer which is right now going on inside the Engage tab in Timebux, wherein users would be selected and they will get paid for watching just YouTube videos. So if you don't know about this offer, I have already made a video on the Engage tab. The link is in the I button as well as in the description below. Don't miss this opportunity. So let's now proceed with the video. But before starting with the video, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe, and while clicking on the bell icon, please select the button all. The website which I was talking about is timebux.com. My referral link for the same is given in the description below. Once you go to that link, you will see two options, login as well as sign up. If you are a new user, just click on the sign up with Facebook and you can sign up into this website in less than 20 seconds. So as I'm a registered user, I have just logged in into my account. So I will just click on the earn tab. And friends, inside the earn tab you will see a tons of options where you can earn. So let me just click on the content tab, and inside the content tab you will see a new option called as Engage tab. So friends, Engage is a new tab wherein you will get paid for watching YouTube videos, as I told in the introduction part. So make sure you use this tab. Let's now proceed with the actual part. Let me just click on the sign up tab. Inside the sign up tab you can see tons of sign up options. You will see an option called as downloads.joinmassive.com, and for that you will get 10 cents. Just click on the view. So friends, basically this is a Timebux software which will give you 10 cent along with some sweepstakes. So I will tell you what is the amount of sweepstakes. Let me just complete the captcha and click start sign up, and you will be given the sign up email and sign up link, and a software would be automatically get downloaded. And the advertiser's instruction, you will see install the Timebux software on a PC and send screenshot of it installed. After downloading, just click on the file and click on the next until the application gets fully installed. You will see the software has been installed. Let's click on the next. And once you click on the next, you will be asked to insert your login details. Just insert your Timebux login details. Once you insert the Timebux login details, just click on the login. Once you log in, you will see our sweepstake entry has been started. What we need to do is we have to insert the proof of completion. Inside the proof of completion, write your Timebux email and your user ID. So you will find your user ID in the top of the page. So just insert your email as well as user ID, and once you're done, just take a screenshot of this page. If you don't know how to take screenshot, I have added an article link in the description below. So I have successfully added the screenshot, and I will click on the submit for approval. Once you click submit for approval, you will be redirected to the my submissions. And friends, after 4 days, which is on 22nd of April, I got approved from this task and I have got credited with 10 cent into my account. So guys, hope you have gone through the whole video and got a deep idea about how you can earn 10 cent in just 5 minutes. As there are a lot of approval requests sent by the users to Timebux, it may take some time for you to get approved. I got approved in 4 days, so you may take over 2 days to over 7 to 8 days. So please wait patiently, and don't worry, you will automatically receive the credit into your account. And as I told earlier, please make use of the Engage tab in Timebux. Thank you for watching this video. Goodbye and see you in the next video.